Hey cousin, today I have for you a super delicious ASOPAO de pollo recipe, perfect for the cold weather. It's so good your mom is gonna ask you for the recipe. Let me show you how I make it. I'm gonna start off by prepping my veggies. I'm using 1 whole cubanelle pepper, 1 whole red pepper, a whole red onion, and I'm gonna be using a bunch of cilantro ancho that I'm gonna wrap around some cilantro. Cilantro ancho is also recao. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm also gonna be using 5 pieces of auyama. This makes up the vegetables. For the chicken, I'll be using chicken thighs. This is a whole pack of chicken thighs that I washed and cleaned, and I'm gonna set aside the small pieces because I'm gonna be chopping the big pieces in half using a meat cleaver. To season, I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 tablespoon of ground oregano, 2 orange sazon packets, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a handful of olives. I'm gonna say a tablespoon of olives, and I'm gonna give this a really good toss to incorporate all of these flavors. I'm gonna set this aside for a few minutes while I heat up my pot. Going on medium-high heat, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to add in 1 chicken bouillon cube that I'm gonna stir into the hot oil to break down. Then I'm going to add in my chicken and give this a really good mix. Now I'm going to add in the diced veggies that I had set aside. I'm going to combine these together, and I'm going to cover my pot. This is going on a medium-high flame for 10 minutes. At the end of those 10 minutes, I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups of washed and cleaned white rice. Make sure you combine this really well so that there are no white spots and all of the rice grains are covered in seasoning. Then I'm going to add in 7 cups of rice using the bowl where I seasoned the chicken, and I'm gonna add in my bunch of cilantros and my auyama. Give this a stir, and you're going to cover the pot for 20 minutes on a medium-high flame. At the end of those 20 minutes when we return, I'm going to give this a stir, and this is when you're able to test the broth to see if you're undersalted. If you need a little more salt, you can add a second chicken bouillon cube or a tablespoon of salt. It's all up to preference. Then cover your pot, lower the flame to low, and cover this for 30 minutes. At the end of those 30 minutes, when you stir up your ASOPAO, remove any of the large vegetables and squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. If you have naranja agria, squeeze in half of a naranja agria. Give this a stir, and your ASOPAO is done, cousin. How easy was that? All I was missing was some aguacate, but this hit the spot. Thank you for watching.